Hello YouTube, this is the Bearded Sailor. I'm out here at Alamo City Harley Davidson. And there's a whole group right there. So this is going to be a lot of fun today, hopefully. Got this stupid ass song stuck in my head this morning. It's a dumbass song from Dan and Shay. I hate that song, but I hear it all the time on the radio. I hate that shit. Speechless.
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep. Now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave, and by the time it's done, I'll be gone. So distant when you're home, always hanging by your phone. Do I even know you? And I get paranoid sometimes, 'cause I know that you ain't mine, and I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep. Now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave, and by the time it's done I'll be gone.
Do it for the Bearded Sailor. If you haven't yet, go ahead and press that subscribe button. If you like the video, go ahead and press like. And safe rides, shipmates. I'll see you next time.